Welcome all of you. In this particular video, we are starting a skeletal system and we are going to learn about skeletal system. We are learning about our bones. Okay, so we all know that our skeletal system has two main components, which is made up of two components. One is your bones, and second is your cartilages. So there are 206 bones in your skeletal system and few cartilages are there. Okay, bones and cartilages are the specialized connective tissues, right? One is very hard, one is having very hard matrix and other is having soft or pliable matrix which can be folded, just like your ear pinna. This is your cartilage. We can fold it, we can bend it, right? So it is made up of cartilage, and cartilage are soft, or we can say they have pliable matrix because of the main component chondroitin salts. Cartilages are pliable matrix, which means they can bend. Bones have calcium salts, that's why they have hard matrix and they can't get bent. This is bones. There are 206 bones. Cartilage, there are few cartilages having chondroitin salts. Bones have calcium salts, they are hard, they can't bend. Cartilage can bend because they have pliable matrix. Then if we talk about our skeletal system, which has 206 bones, so we are going to talk about how these 206 bones are divided. Is it visible, guys? I hope it is visible. Okay, there are 206 bones. Let me just use another marker. There are 206 bones. We can divide these 206 bones into two main categories. One is the axial skeleton, one is the appendicular skeleton. Axial and appendicular. Okay, so your axial skeleton has 80 bones. Total there are 206. Out of them, axial, which means central axis of your skeleton, has 80 bones. Your appendicular skeleton has 126 bones, which means in your limbs and girdles. Girdles are the bones who are joining your appendicular skeleton. See, your axial skeleton is what? It includes your skull, your vertebral column, your ribs, your sternum, etc. The bones which is present in the central axis are axial skeleton. They are containing 80 bones. Then the appendicular skeleton is made up of your limbs, your appendages, your hands, both hands and both legs are appendicular skeleton, having 126 bones. Then your axial skeleton includes, see, your skull. Skull means your head part, including cranium and facial bones. Then your ear ossicles, or let's in the second place let's place vertebral column. Second thing, your ribs. Okay, and in front there is sternum. Sternum is the chest bone present. This, if you touch this place, you will get you will hit the hard bone. This bone is called sternum. So this includes your axial skeleton. Your skull has total, actually in NCERT it is given 29 bones excluding ear ossicles and hyoid. So there are 8 bones in your cranium and 14 bones in your facial skull. So total 22. But there are 3 bones in your ear ossicle, 3 bones here, which means total 28. And this is 29th bone. So your skull part, including ear and hyoid, total 29 bones. But in NCERT, it is given 22, excluding ear ossicles, 3, and hyoid bone, 1. 7 bones are, if you minus 29 from by 7, you will get 22. Okay, that we will see in the next video. But just remember, there are 29 bone in this area. 8 bones in cranium, 14 bones. Let me just divide the skull here. Skull having, see, 8 bones in your cranium, which means the head covering 8 bones. Then facial has 14 bones. Your ear ossicles are having 3 into 3, 6 bones. Each ear contains 3 bones, means 2 ears are containing 6 bones. So here I am drawing 6 and 1 hyoid. Hyoid 1. Hyoid is the bone present at the base of your buccal cavity. So total skull has 29 bones. NCERT given 22. That's why I have written 22 here. Your vertebral column includes 26 vertebrae. Okay, 26 vertebrae. There are 12 pair of ribs. So 12 into 2, 24 ribs are there, including your true ribs, false ribs, and flowing or floating ribs. Okay, and 1 sternum. So let's just count. Here only I am writing 24 ribs. 24, 1, 25, 25 plus 26, 51, 51 plus 29, 80 bones. So 80 bones in your axial skeleton. But just remember, NCERT in skull it is given 22, excluding your ear ossicles and hyoid. But if you include your ear ossicles and hyoid, you will get this number. Skull will contain 29 bones. But if you not including ear ossicles and hyoid, there is facial and cranium includes 22 bones. But total there are 80 bones in your axial skeleton. 80 bones. Let's come to the appendicular skeleton. Your each limb is having 30 bone. So my one hand is having 30 bone, other is having 30, 30 plus 30, 60. One leg is having 30, one other leg is having 30. 30, 30, 60. 60 plus 60, how much? 120. So there are 30 in your each limb. 30 in each limb. 30 into 4, 120 in limbs. So total 120, but there are 126 bones present in your appendicular skeleton. So the 6 bones present in your girdles. So girdle is a bone which is going to attach your limb to your axial skeleton. So girdles are 2 types: pectoral girdles, okay, and the pelvic girdle. Pectoral, which will join your hands to the axial skeleton. Pelvic, which will join your legs to the axial skeleton. So 120 in limbs, 6 in girdle. Girdles are of 2 types: pectoral and pelvic. Pectoral girdle has 4 bones. Pelvic girdle has 2 bones. I hope it is visible. Pectoral girdle has 2 bones, 4 bones, including your scapula and clavicle. 2 scapula, 2 clavicle, 4 bones. Pelvic girdle has 2 coxal bones, one here, one here. So this is 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus these 120 of limbs, 126. 126 bones in appendicular skeleton, 80 bones in your axial skeleton. So I hope it is clear. If it is not clear, just go and watch it again and just clear your numbers regarding the bones present in each part of your body. So this is it for today. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends who are preparing for the same exam, NEET.